Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide formulas in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I've done right here. Now you might be wondering, where can you find Excel? You can find the Excel application in Microsoft Store. So launch the Microsoft Store and search for Excel. After doing that, follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the application. After downloading the application, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to hide formulas in Excel. So let's say you have to select the cells that have formulas. Now in this particular cell, you see I have a lot of formulas in here. Here, all of these contain formulas. So I'm going to select the cells, and after that, the next thing that I like to do is to right click and format this cell. So click on format cells, and after clicking on format cells, the next thing that you need to head over to is protection, because you need to protect that file. So here I have number, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection. Click on protection, and in this protection, go ahead and select hidden. So this should be hidden. Now select OK. So back to the cell, you can see that it is still showing. It has not, even if we use the hidden option, you can see that. Let's just go ahead and confirm that the hidden is hidden. So you can see it's still hidden. All right, so it's still showing. So now it says locking cells or hiding formula has no effect until you protect the worksheet. So it means we have to do an overall, we have to perform an overall work in the sheet, which is to protect the entire sheet. And once the entire sheet has been protected, then these formulas will not be visible no matter how much we hide it. So how do you protect the entire sheet? So you have to, number one, unlock the parts that should be accessible. All right, so after unlocking the part that should be accessible, then you can go ahead and protect the entire sheet. So let's say in this part of the sheet, I want the substring parts to be accessible. So I can just highlight this down and right click and click on format cells and click on protection. And so I'm going to uncheck that box that has locked. So uncheck the box that has lock, uncheck the box that has hidden, and that's okay. So this part is going to be accessible even when I lock the entire sheet. So after doing that, I'm just going to head over to the review tab at the top right corner, click on review. And after clicking on review, the next thing that I'll have to click on is, so I'm going to click on protect sheets. So just click on protect sheet and add a password. Let's say 1234 is the password we're going to use to protect the sheet, and click on OK. So I'm going to re-enter this password 1234 and OK. So the entire sheet has been protected. So you can, if I go over to this cell now that has the formula, you see that it's not visible anymore. It's not visible anymore. But seeing that I'll also not be able to make changes to this cell because they've been locked. But come over here where I did not lock it, I can click on it and I can make changes to it. So that's pretty much how you can hide formulas in Excel. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Let me just quickly show you how to unprotect the sheet. So just click on unprotect again from the review tab. Add your password, which should be something you can always remember, and that sheet has been unprotected. Now you can see your formulas and you can edit whatever you want to edit in the worksheet. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.